Hey guys, today is September the 20th of 2013 and I just want to go over the euro, just give you my thoughts and my opinions and what I see in the charts. Know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I just give you my opinions and just my thoughts, pretty much what I see in the charts, calculations, whatever, and it may come to pass and it may not. It's a 50-50 hit or win. So with that being said, let's get into the charts. Okay, so this is what we still have. The 19th, we're supposed to peak, which matches my calculations on September 19th. We have 90 degree, 120 degree, 24, 240 degree pivot from 207 degree. So this is supposed to be one pivot high that the market could possibly turn. I got in short yesterday at 35.60. I waited for like a fail new high, and then I got in. I was checking the 5 minute and saw one go up, and man, it looks like it got Momo. Then I saw that second hump, and I was like, you know what? It's now or never. So I'm just gonna get in. So I got in at 35, 60. Where my charts are? Okay, so yeah, so this is the forecast on TOS uh, based on average seasonality. So supposedly we peak on the 19th, we come down to the 23rd, we peak, we pop 24th, but this could fluctuate. This could be a hit or miss. It's just these extremes that I look for. So it looks like we could go all the way down to October the 2nd and then pop to like October the 14th. So this is just forecasting. This is a calculation. It's not saying that the EURUSD is exactly going to do this, but if you do calculations, algorithms, and pretty much math and you kind of get an idea what the euro could possibly do. It doesn't mean the euro will do it. The euro could do whatever it wants to do. It's its own thing. So with that, let's get into my grid of price and time from the current swing low, swing high. Sorry I haven't had a chance to do videos or whatever, especially yesterday. I was so busy doing some stuff. Okay, so this is the pop. FOMC, boom. Got this thing and hit all the way up here. Other people would have been like, okay, we're going higher. That's it. We broke this level. We're going to go test 35, 37.10, somewhere around here. Yep. And we could possibly do that. I could probably get stopped out. I mean, we probably could do it, but I guess going with my calculation and my risk, uh, I think that yesterday was the high, and we pull back, and maybe we could probably, shoot up and test it. I don't know, or I'm not saying this is like the pivot high, but according to my calculations, this is a possible turn. Is it going to play out? We'll see. So this is where we're at right now. We're hanging around these angles, uh, bouncing around, going up and down, and trying to stay above. The key level that we need to take out, it's that 35.13. If we could take out 35.13, the downside is going to be more smoother. If we don't take out 35.13, we're pretty much going to be like in some chop zone. Now, one other reason why I believe that there was a kind of extreme and short. Where's my 5-4 grid? Okay, this one by one angle right here. This is from the extreme low to the extreme current high on May 4th of 2011. This green angle right here is the one by one. It's a strong angle. We pierced it. We went down. We pierced it up and hit 35.68. And now we're trying to we're trying to hold it. So this is pretty much it. It's just forming dojis, undecision, bulls and bears don't know where we want to go. And that's the battle. We go down, next support will probably be the 50%, which is at 34.90. So we'll see. So this is where we're at. And that's why I saw that this was pretty much gonna be an issue on that one by one. If we stay above that one by one, then this is gonna be a very strong trend. Because the next thing you have is that 37.10. And once you take that one out, with this grid, your next price would probably be 38.32, which is at 38.2 Fibonacci level. And now my reasons also why it was very extreme. If you look at the linear regression lines up here, you see that you're over the linear and you went above. So you're pretty much tippy-toeing on the extreme high of the price range, which is right here. I don't know if I have my little, no, I don't have my drawing thing. So that's where it's at right there. And you got Woody's pivot monthly, which is R2, 35.42. So that's the extreme right there. Let's look at my Gann list and show you some other stuff. If you were doing the, let's see, A, B, your target would have been right here, 35.57. That's the 65%. So you at least would have taken off some, or if you still, or if you think that this is gonna, go down and retest something or turn, you probably would have gone flat around there. And if this thing does turn down, that would have been a great target. That's why I like using these calculations. And if you're long from here, this is where your stop should be rising up to. You should just keep rising it up. And then this is the percentage on from the current swing low. So this is where you're at right here. You're dancing in this level. But you're still strong. You're still bullish. I'm not saying that it's going to be a bear turn. It's just that this is like the pivot calculation I see, and then we'll see if it's going to work out. Price retracement. Yep. No, that's it. So this is what I wanted to show you on that. That it just hit it right on the dot. And if you think you're going to go higher from here, 1, 2, 3, you're going to build a wave 3. Then your target would probably be 3,800. Which would be the 100% from this A, B, C pattern. Let's go and look at. Oh, you see already on the. Let's glance this chart where we at here. Let's look at the big picture, since I don't have that much time, and the U.S. session is about to start. Okay, so this is where we are with the euro. It's still strong. It's kind of tough to be shorting it when you see the strong momentum. I could get my head handed to me. So it's very risky what I'm doing. But, I'm just going by, the calculations. Sometimes, the calculations doesn't match up what the actual indicators and everything else is just showing. So we'll see. So this is what you see. This is very bullish. There's a lot of chop fest here. This is a 12-hour candle. So you can see it's not a lot of movement going on. They don't know if they want to take it higher, so it's just it's just stagnant right there. This is still bullish. Clusters of back and forth on the Fisher showing choppiness, and this is still bullish. On the daily, you kind of setting dojis on decision, back and forth, back to the open. So or the close. So it's still undecided. Still bullish. It was having a turn here, and then it went up, and now it's still bullish, pushing higher. Bullish here, bullish. This is almost green, and you're above the 50%. So bullish, and which is the 3,500. Bullish TEMA. Mobo bullish, zoom mode on CCI bullish. I mean, you just got a signal to go up and like bust higher. Fisher bullish. This is bullish. Squeeze play setup to the green bullish. This is bullish. PPS buy signal bullish. Target if we go higher, 37.20 is the 50. Or the 37.10 if it's gonna test that pivot high. Bullish. Don't like the spread here. I'm not gonna say it's bullish, but it's strong from the 5 and the 20 CCI, but the 50 needs to catch up. Bullish, pointing higher. Bullish. Squeeze play set to the upside. Bullish. This whole thing is all bullish. There's nothing bearish here. Just only on the 12-hour undecisive candles looking back and forth. But other than that, very bullish. So I'm sticking to the calculations. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. 19, that's what I have. and we'll see. But those are my thoughts. Hope you have good trading today, and if we'll see what the action happens today, and post a weekly video tomorrow or Sunday. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.